Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 99 S10. It's a 4.3 V6, but they dual exhausted, so kind of got some cool exhaust. 61, 731. Blinker that way, blinker that way. Horn works. 99s usually are pretty easy to do. Everything works. Blinkers, locks, mirrors. So everything works. We'll take a look at the lights. Let's take a listen to the little 4.3 in it and the exhaust. Good little motors. There's your lights. So, neat little truck, be a fun little cruiser. There you can see everything works on it. Any questions? 605-695-7391.